That's so cool.
Hello.
So I didn't open the app yet.
What else do you want to do here? Do you want to go to the
So
zoo?
how are you gonna send it to me? Through a Google link? Through a Google, how would you send it to me?
Google Drive.
Through a Google Drive. Okay. A zoo? No, I don't want to go to a zoo in Singapore.
How about River Safari? You just ride a boat.
Maybe like just lots of backgrounds. No, like walls, graffiti, like that fountain. I want a photo with that fountain.
What?
I want to take photos of street art
There?
of the jail outside the jail cell. I want to take a
No.
photo outside like shanties. Singapore shanties. I want to take a photo of like the most expensive restaurants, like outside and then in a mocking pose.
I think we're gonna
We don't
embarrass
go
her.
inside a restaurant, by the way. And then we are gonna take photos of open spaces, like before and after shots. Like it'll be developed soon, but
So,
we were first there to take photos of it. Like we knew
no.
it was gonna be a developed space.
Let me think about that.
And then we'll take photos
Of what?
of the red light district, please. I want to go to the whore street. I want to be scantily. I'll be naked in the street.
No, you will get caught. It's
I'll be like
illegal.
small pride, you know? At least it's not micro, just small.
Eh, you will get caught. It's illegal to be naked in public.
I think I can record it. You can stop the record now.
Why?
Really? Not even inside the shop?
Yeah.
I can't be naked in the lobby? That's
You
absurd.
can't even be naked in your own house when someone sees you
What
from
if I
the
just
window.
flash, flash my privates, my butts,
No.
flash my ass,
No, they are
my
very
thick ass,
sensitive.
this blubber? Mama, for XLs only. You know what I'm saying? We get the big dogs, the big fish. Ain't no small spender in here, buddy.
Okay, let's move on.
No, I can't record it. I'd have to end the task. Oh my goodness.
Let me test.
So today we're just gonna be. Why don't you surprise me on where we're going? Just not the zoo, because I don't want any poop on me afterwards. I might bring it in the apartment and we'll all be sick and we'll contaminate food and we won't be well reviewed as fragrant beings.
How about roller coasters?
Oh. Whatever Marvin decides. I'm okay with roller coasters. A roller coaster photo? Mm.
No, Universal Studios too expensive.
I'll go wherever Marvin wants to go.
To be your
But
photographer.
my only caveat is we have to sleep next to each
Okay, I'm
other.
gonna mute you now.
Next to each other, not sleep with each other. Crazy. Not even a nap. Okay, is it still recording? We'll start the session. It's the Bisaya section.
Oh, great. Okay.
Okay. Sigbin, tik tik, Nituog yun siya, uy. I can't believe he actually believed. Gapanipat yun, sipat. Kailangan pa ka musuok-suok, mukabot sa mga suok-suok. Giunsa og ilis niya. How did you replace her? Ugangan, mother-in-law. Peaceful, malinawon. Calm and serene, kalmado og hilom. Basin na ay muingon na sad og suwito, nga dinhi man unta na tawo. Naa na sad kay malimtan, naagyoy matuk-an na sad ani ba. Wa pag yun intawon maswito. Kadaghan bag pasikot-sikot, patuyok-tuyok. Mukalit na sad na siyag bag-o. Muilis man kaha kalit. Alisdan na sad na niya. Wa pag yun matagamay. Daghan gyapon buslot. Di gyapon igo. Muli ko gyapon dapat ka. Dili gyapon insakto. Dili pa sapat. Wa pa niya puna. Wa mapuna. Dili makapuno. Sampot, lubot, buslot, gamit pang tai. Akong ginausap kung maog yun ni. Gisaway-saway nay noon. Hinay-hinayi og tan-aw sa ako kay basin malaparo tika. Luag, naluag-luag na imong buot. Konsumisyon ray mahatag nimo sa kuha. Dili
Wow.
dapat mo confuse sa consummation or making a marriage complete by sex. Kuhol is snail. Anti, in other words, kay iyaan. Uyuan kay angkol. Mga brinasad na siyag samad. Pagtagbaw kay the state of being grateful or satisfaction. Hiluan tikag
Satisfaction.
alkampor karon or camphor mothballs. Tagbaw or satisfied or quenched. Pagtagbaw og tagay kay tiguang naka, meeting na lang sa kapilya imong atimanon. Kapilya is chapel. Gikalo. Oh my goodness, I can't help it. He just smiled when he walked past me. Oh my goodness, man, you're so sweet. Gikalwang kay rusted. Ikaw ra gyud ang gasugot nga ing-ani kasaba akong TV. Kusog mo kiyod pero mahadlok maamahan. Tamis, aslom, parat, halang, pait,
What's parat?
tamang, upload, bitter. Ginabasa nako tagagabii akong ulahi nga adlaw sa Maynila. Naghinuktok pagyapon siya.
Hinok.
Dautan siguro. Dagahan matagbuan nga problema. Ako gikulangan ang iyang day workers. Gigaling na niya or giground na niya? Ikog sa yawa. Kinutlo or citation, quotation, or excerpt. Ang samin nabasa kay gigamit ka. Trapuhi. Lami kay tambok og bilat. Agoy. Nganong lami man gyud ang ginadili. Kung pugnan ganing ko, mura kog magbati. Makita nako imong tibuok biyahe nimo padong danhi. Hala pa man, gihubak sa abog. Gakalagot ko, humay or unhusked rice, hilaw nga palay, gadumot or harboring hatred. Look at these shoulders though. Balikawot or balikaot? Gidumtan or receiving hate. Napanas iyang gisulat. Acting now, gaarte na. Pagsayaw para makapalit kag car parts. Ah. Okay. Naghandom or gareminis. Remember, recollect, reminisce, gunita. Naggunita siya karon. Kantidad or kadaghan, amount. Suwang kay Chin. Tanawa yung suwang, oh. Gatibaw iyang simod. Naglimbawot akong balahibo samtang gabasa ko. Or hair-raising state. So pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, you're so pretty, pretty, pretty. What nasayod wasn't made aware. Or to be aware or to know, sayod. Kababata, childhood friends. Akong liki, wala na katilaw og ulo.
Why?
Matunaw ang nawong, mag-melt iyang nawong. Ang musyagit, advance pirmi, ug usa ka stepping. Ikapila na giritoki iyang dagway. Dagahan na nawong na iyang nasuot. Ang manamnit, bahog, buragwit. Ang dili managad, ibulad. Tumong kabot pangandoy iing ato nako kakaron gipanuhot musibak koron. Tan-awa oh, gwapa kay kalantawon tungod sa akua. So funny. You're a funny man. You are truly a man that is funny.
Me? I'm a man?
Magdugay lang yun. Magdugay-dugay lang. Walay problema kung mudugay ka. Okay lang na malugayan ka. Di man ko gadali mansan. Pagkonsumo lang. Og tanang oras ni mo gusto. Sa pagsulay og mainom, mura ko sa pagsulay og inom, murag ako ray tawo. Kanang tisoy kay kasi mong paminaw, pero naa kay laki nga wala gituman or follow up. Siyempre, naa ka sa akong wish list na magabaan ka, mauna akong wish sa imo.
What?
Kakapoy o ganagot. Kakapoy o kalagot akong natigom, dili kwarta. Repository. Designed to last a long time, as in a repository penicillin. I'm off to write your licensure oath for us to bill you off. Minji. Minging means foul smelling or bad smelling. That jacket is absolutely minging.
Minjing.
Kanhi or kanianhi. Kanianhi.
Why are you laughing?
Kanianhi niya. Kanianhi niya nga Bisaya vlogger. Gibalikan niya. Korean ang liog pero ang nawong Afrika. Kung naanay kung naanay gapangisi nimo, ikaw akong bungian. Minge is the female pubic hair. The pilot episode of a Filipino teleserye, Charlize Theron in Prometheus, Sean Bean in National Treasure, LARPer spotted. A LARP is live action role playing. Consummation is the point when a marriage is finalized through sex. Rob Roy is whiskey and vermouth or wine with herbs from France and Italy. Kung musigi kag tagay ay kabalaka, kay tsada lagi akong istorya sa imuha pagkapatay nimo.
Mhm.
Kung 20 lang ihatag sa mga bata, ang mga ginikanan man ang dili malipay. Kanus aka ako mabunutan sa raffle sa pagsulay sa mga kinabuhi. Kung you are removing my eyebrows here. For God's sake, keep that down. Kung sudlan kay manlibak man pagkahuman. Gipusil man akong amigo, human na ako kaon sa iyang balay. Lahi ra magkagusto sa sigpaminaw sa tingog sa iyang asawa. Bisan bulahan or blessed, fortunate or lucky, ang mga magpaubos, mas lami man kung ako'y makabalos. Nadibdib na nako tanan ang mga sakit na iyang naistorya. Unsaon taman walay mas bisaya sa istinuryahan na og kadako. Nakurat ko kay mas sayo makatulog ang OFWs. Pati sa iyang mga ginareaktan sa IG, gakaulit ko. Tanawi iyang ginapansin karon murasad og iyaha yawa. Paggawas nimo sa balay naa na sa pika sa kalibutan ang gataho. Lahi na karon kay ang mugawas nga regalo kay plema. Lewd means vulgar, filthy, obscene, or pornographic. A messy roommate, a slob, pig, disorganized, unkempt. Rescind or cancel or revoke a law or agreement. That's the MVP of the Philippine Basketball Association. After a public outcry, the city council rescinded the job offer. Christoph Waltz in Alita Battle Angel. A doctor that talks to the dead instead. Greeks are Egyptians then. Metanoia is change in way of life because of spiritual conversation. Oh, mamayedo bapareba, shiba puero papareya, shiba pereba papareya, shiba puero papareya, shiba puero papareya. Metanoia again is change in way of life because of spiritual conversion or repentance or penitence. Why lubot ang ending pagtalikod? Makakaya ba daw og bars? Uy, managhan unta ang magpahilak nimo. Yawa ka ibalhin ang channel. Basahi og utro ang psych eval kung nahalapan ka. Ang pagtan-aw gyapon sa Mindanao sa Maynila kay way labot para mangubi. Mohilak kung awayon sa una, karon mohilak tungod sa mga problema. Alas 12 gyapon kanon ang handa sa Pasko in Tawon. Kung pangit ka, manrabaho ra na silag padayon sa construction site. Uy, wah, demonyo ka. Lahi ra jud si Jupeta kay first move perminti ang atake sa laki. Ang uyab para sa iyaha kay makupitan ra dinha ra tama ni intawon kung maglisod ka og stock sa akoa may nalang wa na ako gihatag akong full name. Guruy. She just called me Meatball Mariana. Which one bothers you more, homosexuality or pedophilia? Welcome to the crime. How can I help you? Are you there, God? God is a woman. Nagsigi na lang mi og loan. Lord, padaugi na mi. Maayong kahimtang sa iyang anak, iyang request. Naglisod ba siya sa iyang kinabuhi? Uyabi na lang kung dili na baka kung us, ang sabi ng jeep. Uyabi na lang kung dili na bakakon, kung asa manguhag kusog, agoy, kalami. Aray. Ayan. So, galaag daw kay nakadawat na og bonus. Pero mas paspas gyapon ang boto sa traffic. Sa I love you ra lugar maayo imong gibuhat. Di na ka makausab, uy. Dili ing ana kasayon. Isa daw? Sa I love you ra lugar maayo imong gibuhat. Di na ka makausab, uy. Dili ing ana kasayon.
Mhm.
Gibugno nako sa ilang panulay nako. Lahi rasad na level ang kabasikat sa bag-ong uyab nga single mom, uy. Timplahan ko nimo kape taga-adlaw kung ako nabana nimo. Mama, let's look at the facts. 5,000 ang ihatag sa pinakalagom ug kasing-kasing para sa pamilya. Kung bakasyon, dili unta asa kwaon ang kwarta, ang pangutana, kundi asa. Daghan huna-hunaon man pag mahimo kog tao. Unta lumod na lang ko. Gikapoy nakagbayad sa imong utang ay kabalaka kay dili pa na mao. Dili lagi daw siya ganahan ingno na siomay ang lasa sa iyang gigamit pangkaon. Ganahan siya tawgon og siomai or water dumplings, pork, ginger scallions, and cilantro. Basin ganahan ka makakita og jogging karon pag uli nimo sa imong inuman. Makaingon gyud kag sayang. Pirmi na lang gasyagit, walay imo para mangita lagi gyud kag Santa Claus. Ang tama nga mga coworkers excited na makit-an usab, booking ang baho. Ang baygon naay picture sa lamok para tunong ang pagpatay. Maunang wallpaper ka nako.
Wow.
Naka-move on na unta tanan pagbalhin na kog Disney Plus. Ang anghel na nabingwitan sa akong silingan kay gikan sa impyerno. Sa Maynila kung naa kay problema, isa ra ka dadto bisan unsaon nimo. Basta ako ra gyud matambag nimo kung magminyo ka Ayaw na lang pagpalit og daghang gamit kay maglisod kag dala iniglayas nimo. Salamat sa pagpakabalo samo. Salamat sa pagpabalo. Gaampo nga dili tinuod ang walay iro nga makumkum. Kay ikaguba sa akong kinabuhi ang mga sikreto nga akong nahatag. Ha? Gaampo nga dili tinuod ang walay iro nga makumkum. Kay ikaguba sa akong kinabuhi ang mga sikreto nga akong nahatag. Mao ba?
Mao ba?
Ibahin ra gyud. Yawa ka ka. Ni buka akong mata pagdungog nga Vietnamese man dinhi. Ngiw ngiw bukaw manahak pungaw aw. Sweat oil pungan means noun. You know naman, we all want nouns. Kwaknit, kalapanit, bats, paniki. Bao means turtle. Iho means shark. Sunod nga hulagway. Next image, please. Isda. Haligi. Kasili. Halawig. Agoy halawig. Puro nga isda sa baybay nga mabaw. Nagsigi na og tuon. Maayo ng pagtutok sa binisaya. Talk to me, talk to me.
Talk to me, talk to me.
Asa dana sa duha ka hulagway ang iring.
Iring. You want to go to like a cat cafe?
Yeah, sure.
Cat or dog?
Wo mei ichi ni jojo, ichi miao 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 miao. 我小中文老师，我没有 what? What's
If
hot
we
in
go to
Chinese?
a Malay restaurant,
What's hot? Atsui? 我没有 atsui.
will you order in full Malay language?
Qingwen, China Li, 厕所 yawa ka. Girl, work. I mean, I wish. Am I right? Bukya sa labay, dikya is jellyfish. Uy, giganahan sa bukya, sa salabay, sa dikya.
What does that mean?
Pagi is stingray, ginataan nga pagi. Ganahan ako mukaon og bong. Dabong. Nanganti na kog dabong girl. Womayched. Sanga pantihan is manta-ray. Lahira siya sa pagi.
Monterey.
Pantihan, please. Nga ginataan. O saka grilled na pantihan? Nanimalos, gabalos, na busy sa panimalos. Hey, I have a request by the way. When I go there, can I have distilled water
Oh,
by the
sure.
liter, by
But
the full liter?
okay.
Because last time you just gave me faucet water.
That was boiled.
All right.
You
I
didn't.
imagine boiling this water.
Yeah, we boil water here and let it cool.
Right, right, right.
But okay, I'll buy you distilled water. Did you get
We'll
sick?
buy you the whole Philippines if you can. Basta kahit
What would you like to eat again from last time?
I
Or
would like to eat again a grilled octopus, like a whole one, you know? Joke.
what non-meat do you eat? What meat do you
Any
eat?
non-meat girl, I can't really have much of a choice when it comes to vegetarian stuff because we wouldn't be there for the food if I'd be vegetarian, right? We'd be there for the sights. I need those photographs. I need them to induce money flowing in the
What
economy.
phone are you bringing that will we will put
I
in the
need to
net?
be as slim as possible in Singapore
Oh no.
with regards to my tummy.
How many
I need to
hours?
have biceps,
Oh, you have biceps.
but a flat stomach. Because you
Huh.
see, this is the current state. It must not protrude,
It
but
doesn't
it is
protrude.
sadly protruding. So I don't really want to be particular about food because I'd like to eat as seldom as possible.
Okay. How many hours a day can you go out?
All the R's, girl, as much as
No,
possible.
last
We'd
time we
like
were
to
out
be
for like
outdoors.
3 hours and you
Hang
wanted
out
to
this
go
ass.
home.
I mean, 7 decisions change your life.
Okay, stop it.
Okay, so how many days? 5 days, 4 days, right?
No, I think only 3.
3 days and 2 nights.
Yeah,
3 days? That's so long.
really?
Is anyone else gonna be sleeping in the house with us? Like, is Christian sleeping with us again?
No,
No? But am I gonna meet Christian again?
no.
No? Okay, well, I don't really like his boyfriend, so I might get into a fight if I see his boyfriend.
Yeah.
Okay, so where was I? Mapahitas on means proud. Mahipita, maputi,
How about
hippopotamus.
how about shopping? What would you like to
Mapahitas
buy?
on. Well, I was contemplating on whether or not we should get another loan, but it's so hard to transfer funds.
Oh, don't loan. Here ba? What will you buy here?
Yeah, because with the loan, I can buy something really big in Singapore, like a Chanel bag.
Oh
Hala!
God.
Like an LV luggage.
Oh, good luck to you.
By swiping. So it is all mine. It's under my name.
Hindi bagay.
My laptop is conking out. I'd like to buy a phone. Can you give me an Android? Even a small one?
Oh no, I can't even
Even a
buy me a
6,000
phone. My
peso one?
phone is breaking down.
Please, because I'm in the business of gaming after all, right?
But you have tons of phones.
Yeah, but they conk out, so I can't spend a lot of time outdoors if my phone turns off.
I'll
I'll
just buy
probably
you
like annoy a lot of people in
I'll buy you a
Singapore.
power bank.
No, I need an Android.
Oh
Seriously.
no, I think we're gonna buy you shoes, sabi ni nanay.
Can you like give way to like 6,000 for my small Android?
Oh no, sorry. You gotta wait till Christmas, maybe.
Oh, and you also have to prep Marvin for our ML game there.
Okay, does he need to
What
download
about like sports?
sports?
In Singapore, we can play.
Okay, I'll think about it.
Are
Photo
we gonna
shoot.
swim? Are we gonna swim?
Oh, we can. Photo shoot. Okay, na.
Okay, so I'd like to be fully fluent in Ilonggo. He still refuses to teach me, by the way, or it. Do you think it's possible for me to go to Iloilo again?